Hi content creators. As you know, DaVinci Resolve 19 is out. I played around with the text node and created this cool outline animation. I will show you how I did it and will also provide you with the files to download. Alrighty, let's add a Fusion composition and go into the Fusion page. First, let's add a SText node. Now add a SRender node. Select the SRender node and add a background node and connect the merge to the input of the media out. Type in a text. As you can see, there is no text displaying on the media out node. Right-click on the merge node and select Swap Inputs. Now add a S outline. Change the thickness here. We will use the length and position to animate the text. We'll just create something simple here. Create two more S outline nodes and connect them with the SText node. Let's just make some space here. Now add a S change style node, which will allow you to change the color. You can also use the opacity for blending. Add another two S change nodes. Change the colors. Also add these two S merge nodes and connect the last two S change nodes to the bottom S merge node. Change the name of this node. We'll explain why shortly. Play around with the settings, spend some time on this. With the third node, right-click on Thickness and select Expression. Click the plus icon and add the name of the second node. We just changed the name to make it simple. Do the same with length and add a plus 0.6 at the end. Add a soft glow and now just play around with the animation until you find something you like. I like this. This was a quick tutorial. I am still playing around with the new features. I hope this taught you something. Please like for more videos on DaVinci Resolve.